The next problems you're going to see on your test, numbers 9 through 12, are going to be dividing or rationalizing. Most of them are going to require rationalizing. So this first one, I have square root of 5 over square root of 3. The first thing I want to point out is 5 is not divisible by 3, so I need to try to get that radical out of the denominator. So I'm going to multiply by a fancy form of 1, square root of 3 over square root of 3. Remember, that comes from the denominator value here. Now, across the top, 5 and 3 need to be multiplied to give me square root of 15. Across the bottom, I have square root of 9. And from there, I can just simplify the denominator because the square root of 9, after multiplying by that fancy form of 1, is going to just be 3. So my final answer is square root of 15 over 3. Now this next one is very similar to that, though I can simplify 8 over 12 to, well, I can divide 8 by 4 and I can divide 12 by 4, giving me square root of 2 over square root of 3. This is going to simplify what I have to do early instead of having to simplify late. So now my fancy form of 1, again from the denominator value, is square root of 3 over square root of 3. This is going to give me square root of 6 over square root of 9, and just like on the last one, that square root of 9 is going to end up being a whole number 3. The square root of 6 stays the same because I cannot simplify anything out of 6. Now this last one is all set up for us, and this one's actually the simplest one we have. 8 over square root of 11. 11 will not simplify on its own, so I'm going to multiply that by square root of 11 over square root of 11, which is going to give me 8 square root of 11, not square root of 88. I cannot multiply those two because they're not in the same location. And 11 times 11 is going to give me square root of 121. This ends up providing a final answer of 8 square root of 11 over 11. There you have it, rationalizing and dividing. This is like numbers 9 through 12 on your test and numbers 14 through 17 on your worksheet.